Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm going to cut to the chase and show you guys what Hidrocor looks like and what the natural colors looks like. So in 3, 2, 1. So there you guys go, that's what the lenses look like on my eyes, and as you guys saw, I opened up new packs of Solotica lenses courtesy of Vision Marketplace. Thank you so much for sending these over. If you guys would like a discount code, I have got one. It's 10% off any order, and yes, it's an affiliate code, so I do make some money off that. You don't have to use it. I do appreciate if you guys do, but again, you don't have to use it, and again, this video is not going to be biased because they were sent to me. Alright, so let's talk about the question, which one do I prefer, Hidrocor or natural colors? I honestly prefer the natural colors. I just feel like it's more versatile and I don't look as washed out. The Hidrocor one is beautiful, it's absolutely stunning as well, but I just find that I need to wear heavier makeup with that. Yeah, there you guys go. If you guys are looking for a short answer, which one do I prefer? Natural colors. But if you guys would like to know more about the different ranges and how I explain the differences and what I think you should be looking at in particular with the contact lenses to determine which one is the best for you, then keep on watching. Okay, so if you guys aren't familiar with the Solotica range, I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown of the differences. So the Solotica Hidrocor range is essentially pure color, whereas the natural colors, it's got some blending to it, more dimension to it in terms of like different colors playing into it, and also a limbal ring. So the limbal ring, as you guys can see from this photo, is essentially that dark black ring around the eyes, and I feel like it does give you more structure to the eyes. And I think if you have naturally darker features, like dark eyes, dark hair, like myself, that's like my natural state, yes, I feel like I do feel like the limbal ring does make a huge difference in making it look more natural, and I feel like it looks prettier in that sense. That being said, the Hidrocor range is beautiful as well. I love the Hidrocor range. I have tried out the IPANEMA, I've tried out the Solotica Hidrocor Rio in IPANEMA, however you like to say it, Copacabana, and then Quartzo, and I think I've tried out whatever that really grey one was, but I didn't really particularly like that one, unfortunately. But yeah, I really like them. I feel like with these particular ones, I do have to say, I feel like you need to wear some sort of makeup with it, whether it be eyeliner or mascara, just to kind of give it some definition. I just feel like with me, it looks a bit washed out. Now, before you guys start attacking me down in the comment box down below saying that I'm Asian, I should not expect coloured contact lenses to look natural on me. I'm not talking about it like me, like in general, it looks natural on me. I'm talking about how it looks on the actual eye itself. Also, if you guys have that kind of mindset, just go away. Like this, seriously, this is just for people that like to wear coloured contact lenses for the fun of it, so yeah. If you guys are interested in like a more in-depth review where I talk about the particular colors themselves, I have done reviews on these lenses before. I'll leave them down in the description box down below, and also on the eye thing on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. You guys go, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, I have an affiliate link down in the description box down below if you guys would like to use it. And yeah, tell me down in the comment box down below, which lens do you prefer, Hidrocor or natural colors? Love to hear from you guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!